In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create icon atom and icons in a design system, Figma tutorial. We'll go from opening Figma to bringing in an icon with a plugin and masking it with color, so you end up with a clean, reusable icon atom that fits neatly into your design system. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and heading to the file or page where you're building your design system. Having your icon canvas or dedicated page ready keeps everything organized and makes it easier to find and reuse assets later. Next, open Figma's action options to access plugins. You can use the main menu or the quick action search to get there. Choose plugins, then search for Icons 8. When you see the Icons 8 plugin in the list, click it and select Run. If it's your first time, Figma may prompt you to install the plugin. Just confirm, and it will open right away. Inside the Icons 8 plugin, browse or search for the icon you want. For an icon atom, pick a simple, single-purpose symbol that clearly represents one action or idea. When you find the one you like, drag it straight onto your page. It should land as a vector shape or group that's easy to manipulate. Now let's give it color using a mask. Draw a rectangle that fully covers the icon on the canvas and choose the color you want the icon to be. Placing the rectangle on top ensures it becomes the mask. Select both the rectangle and the icon together, right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma uses the topmost layer, the rectangle, as the mask, and the result is a neatly colored icon. This approach is especially helpful for keeping a consistent brand color across your entire icon set. If the color looks off, double-check that the rectangle has the correct fill and that the rectangle is indeed on top before masking. You can always undo and try again if needed. Keeping icons aligned to a common size, like 24 or 32 pixels, will help them look consistent across your system. Clear naming, such as icon/home or icon search, also makes them easy to find later. That's it. You've opened Figma, launched the Icons 8 plugin, dragged in an icon, covered it with a colored rectangle, and applied Use as Mask to finish the look. This simple flow creates a reliable icon atom that's ready to be used throughout your design system.